Hi, in front of me is HTC 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security and Location. Then tap on Screen Lock. Pick one of the options, swipe, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it. Choose yes or no. Draw my pattern. Tap Next, draw it again and tap Confirm. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to be displayed? Pick one of the options and tap Done. Now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!